Can you still see your friend's Instagram activity? Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you or show you if and how you can see your friend's Instagram activity. Now, to be precise, you can't specifically view your friend's Instagram activity, but there are a few things that can help you look at their activities or stalk at them. Now, if you open the app and head over to your chat settings and you go into chats, here if you open up chat with a certain friend, you can see the active status on the profile right here. Now beside the profile name or under the profile name, you can see the active status. You can see this person was active 7 minutes ago. If they haven't turned off their active status, then you will be able to see their active status. Now this is one of the activities that you can see whether they are active or how long ago were they active last. Now the other things you can see is if you head over to the profile, you can see the followers and you can see their following. Now the other things you can look or follow at the activity is at the profile you'll find the bell icon on the top right of your screen. If you tap on it, you'll be able to turn on the notifications to post the stories, the videos, reels, and even live. You can set it to get all notifications or get some or turn off. Now if you set this to get all, you'll be notified of each of the posts, the story, the videos, the reels, and the live. So this way you can get a look at their activity in some extent. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.